Most people neglect rotational exercises, but that's what the human body is meant to do. So you better keep on watching. Coach Zach here with Team Criticalbench, and in this video, I'm gonna show you 3 rotational exercises for your core that you probably have never seen. Before we get into the meat and potatoes of this video, go ahead and check out that link down below to get your free sliders along with my Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach program, which will show you how to use this for a total body workout. Now, let's get it. This first exercise is a little bit advanced, so make sure you have the foundational strength before you do this. We're gonna come down into a plank variation, where instead of coming onto your forearms, you come onto your elbows, so make sure you have some padding under your elbows. Hands support the head and then come into a plank. If you need to at first, just drop down on your knees. But from this plank, we're gonna bring a little T-spine rotation. So on your inhale, dig down into that elbow and reach the other elbow up to the sky. Look up, exhale, bring it back down. Inhale, switch, exhale, down. The closer your feet are, the harder. The more wide your feet are, the easier. Nice, slow, controlled movements. And again, if you need to, come down to the knees. It's a great exercise because not only are you working your core stability in that plank, but you're bringing that thoracic spine rotation, working your obliques, as well as improving your spine mobility. Next exercise, you're gonna need a stability ball. You may have seen me do this one before. It's one of my favorite exercises. Bring that rotational power, that rotational strength to your core. So you're gonna lay on the ball. Your mid-back and your neck is supported on the ball. Lift your hips, toes point forward. You're gonna reach your hands up, bring your palms together. Now, the wider your feet are, the easier. The closer your feet are, the harder because of the base of support. From here, take a breath in, and on your exhale, dig down into your feet, rotate, reach your arms to the side, eyes track with your hands, and then exhale, come back. Inhale, nice and slow. Exhale, rotating from my core, using the breath. Exhale, come up. So we're slowly lowering. Exhale, use your power to come back. If you want to make it even harder, it's a little too heavy, let's grab a little medicine ball. Same thing, squeeze the ball between your palms. Nice and slow. And then if you really advance and you want to work some more power, especially if you're an athlete or you want to practice your throwing power, you can come down, this takes some coordination, and then throw and catch. Inhale and then exhale, throw and catch. The last exercise I'll show you today is a plate chop. You've probably seen these before, but I just wanted to change it up, do something a little bit different. So, grab a plate, in standing position. You want to be athletic with this. So instead of just doing this, like, no, what are you doing here? You want to rotate, right? So pivot on your legs. So pivot as you bring it down, and then we're going to chop it up. As you see, I'm using my legs and my hips. And then eccentrically, nice and slow. Inhale, loading it up. You see this? I'm pivoting, and then inhale down. Do the stanky leg. Exhale, and then switch sides. So pivot, nice and slow. We're working on power here. So eccentrically slow, concentrically fast. Load it up. Plate chops. Most people in the gym completely ignore anything in that transverse plane, anything rotational. We're all in the sagittal plane, frontal plane, so bring some more rotation to your exercise program to bring more athleticism and functionality to your body. These 3 exercises are a great place to start. Don't forget, before you go, check out that link down below for your free sliders, along with my Slide Your Way to a Flat Stomach program using only these sliders. As always, I'm Coach Zach. Don't forget to like, subscribe, do all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time. Yeah.